Alright guys, even though everybody is super bearish on the market now, to me Bitcoin looks very strong. And in this video we're gonna speak and I'm gonna give you my perspective and we'll tell you what I think about the market and especially Bitcoin right now. Before we start, remember I'm not a financial advisor and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, DR. So even though we got a massive crash right now on the S&P and in general on the American market, but a little bit we got the correction starting from 6.1k on S&Ps, which was 20% dump, which was one of the biggest dumps in the whole history of S&P 500. But we recovered 12%. Why I'm talking about this? Because of course this has huge influence on the whole crypto market, on BTC. But even though, as you can see, BTC is holding very strongly at the level of $85,000. As you all know, the volume has recently dropped a lot. The volume is super low on BTC and on the whole crypto market. It feels like summer and it feels like everyone has been already selling off for, as you know, sell in May and go away. We got half April. It looks like everyone has already left the market. Now, like I always tell you, things that are obvious usually don't play out later, you know. And as you can see, like I said, we have 2 more weeks of April and market has already played out the May. I feel like everyone has already played out May and sell in May and go away is already in the price. And this is bullish. The reason why it's bullish is because if there is something that all people know, like everyone knows that sell in May and go away, everyone knows that volumes are lower in summer. And I'm telling you this every freaking year. I'm telling, if you've been for long enough on this channel, you've been hearing that from me every single year. I tell you the same thing. It's already in the price and it always plays out. You can check my previous videos, you can see that it always plays out. It's that simple. Everybody knows sell in May and go away, and this is already in the price. All right, this is already in the price. If there was more selling pressure right now, we could feel it, but there is none more. Like everybody knows that. Like the same situation was when, all right, we can't really compare it to the Trump winning the election because nobody knew until the last moment if he's gonna win or no. But in this case, everyone knows sell in May and go away. Everyone knows that. It's 100% sure. The news is 100% yes. Everyone knows that the volumes are lower in the summer. And that means that this is already in the price because we've got, like I said, 2 more weeks and everyone knows that. So everybody has already played that out. All right. If the market isn't going down anymore, this is bullish for me. All right. To me, this is bullish. All right. Especially that the price holds extremely well here at the level of 85k. To me, the summer sell-off has been that when we went all the way down to 74k on BTC and we went down from March, that was 21%. And it looks like to me that this is the level where that we're gonna at least hold for the next few months. What that means for you? That means you can grow. That means you can still do trades on BTC on the whole crypto market. So BTC for me looks very strong. Regarding the Bitcoin dominance, we got all-time highs since 2021. We've never had a bigger and a higher Bitcoin dominance on the market. Since the last 4 years, we have the highest levels of Bitcoin dominance. Historically, that shows also that those are the best moments to enter Ethereum. Okay, but we're gonna speak about that in the next video. By the way, I haven't mentioned before, but remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes only. Always do on the research DR. 62% important level Bitcoin dominance. Check this out. We broke that, went to 64%. A lot of people still don't understand, but this is a crucial thing in this cycle. Always look at the Bitcoin dominance chart because every time that we have a dump on the Bitcoin dominance, like then when we went down 10% to 55% of Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum and all the altcoins started going up for a small moment. All right, this shows as altcoin season 55%. For now, even a small dump on the Bitcoin dominance, like 6%, and you're gonna see Ethereum pumping and you're gonna see other altcoins pumping. So the conclusion is Bitcoin is strong, Ethereum is ready to pump, and I wouldn't worry anymore about dumps. I think that was the bottom for BTC, and I don't think in the summer we're gonna see any lower levels than 65 Okay, if you are a trader and if you are into trading, if you want to trade BTC and other altcoins, I have partnered with Femex, and you can get a bonus of $500 if you deposit. You have all the rules in the description of this video under my link. Only if you register under my link, you can get these bonuses, join and win more than $500 rewards. And activity pool, this is the time period of activity pool. Remember, Femex is also sponsoring token 2049. If you're interested to meet the team, come to Dubai. And if you want to talk to the Femex team, or if you want to talk to me, I'll be there at the conference as well. So this is it for the market right now. I'll catch you in the next video, because next one will be about Ethereum. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.